First of all, it doesn't solve a new problem, right? It tries to integrate multiple systems in real time within your organization. That problem exists probably since the 90s or maybe even 80s, right? Where like IBM came up with a messaging format. Hey, we need to send one message from one system to another. What really changed over the last, I would say, 5 to 10 years is the way we approach it. So while we used to create monolithic ESB applications, right? Like large middlewares, you had like one department that was kind of using and building that out, and they were really highly skilled and trained on that end. Very expensive technology, expensive people to kind of operate that system. And that's really the big change, where now if you think about the cloud native approach, everybody wants to develop a small piece of software and roll it out pretty quickly, right? We're talking continuous deployment in these things. So we're talking about, hey, we're not adding a new system once in a while or every year. No, we're adding new SaaS systems and changing them like literally on a daily basis to keep up with the demand on the market, to deliver what my business wants. So you have to be more agile in terms of your middleware. So it's not longer going to fly to have like one dedicated team and one dedicated middleware platform somewhere operating. It needs to be more flexible. And I think that's really what the iPaaS industry is trying to solve, right? Make it easier and faster to keep up with the demand on the integration side. And that's where you have the iPaaS, and that's where we try to combine, or where we think it makes sense to use open source technology that has been around, but use it in a more user-friendly and easier to use way, right? So instead of having these integration experts, bringing in the citizen developers, bringing in other people and say, look, well, we have this complex technology, what we really make it easier to use, because now we have an iPaaS platform that helps you build, create, maintain, and monitor these integrations much easier than it used to be.